Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to product review. Get exclusive instant access to high quality done for you 100 juice smoothie recipes collections with 100% full unrestricted use right to use and resell and profit from effortlessly. Hello dear friends, welcome. You are about to get instant access to our done for you 100% juice smoothie recipes collections to help you make fresh natural juice, stay healthy, vibrant and strong on a daily basis. Inside these 100 juice recipes collections, you will get instant access to different varieties of juice recipes and articles all about different natural juice smoothie recipes. But that's not all. The best part is that everything you will get access to this page today also comes with a full unrestricted use right opportunity. Inside this ebook guide you will discover juice smoothie recipes, apricot juice, avocado juice, banana juice, blueberry juice, blackberry juice, bisenberry juice, brand fruit juice, orange juice, coconut juice and many more. You can make use to these cookbooks packs anyhow you like. Below are some ideas on what you can do with the done for you 100 juice smoothie recipes collection. You can make use to the ebook guide in your projects. You can rebrand the ebook guide. You can resell it and keep 100% profit up to yourself. You can start your own blog membership website with it. You can put your name as an author. You can do anything with it. See what professional freelancers charge to write juice smoothie recipes and cookbooks on Fiverr. 10 out of every 10 persons picked this up. Everyone loves natural fruit juice. It is very certain you want more healthy days to your life. With that being said, you will be getting our done for you 100 plus juice smoothies recipes collections for only $7 with full unrestricted use right. To be sincere with you, there is no better deal out there, and really this done for you 100 plus juice smoothie recipes collections worth over $800, but for a short period of time only. You can get instant access to everything with full unrestricted use rights only for only $7. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.